Hello all, welcome back to our channel. So students, many of you were asking about my e-commerce notes now. In this video, I will explain overall 5 units questions. So it will be useful for the explanation also. Okay, many of the students have requested for the e-commerce explanation now. So in this video, everything I will discuss. So please do watch till end, then only you will understand each and every concept. Okay, so this notes was prepared purely by me. So it will be useful. Okay, the first important question is explain about the various e-commerce models in detail. Means that is classification, means types of e-commerce. What is mean by e-commerce? E-commerce is a process of buying and selling of goods and services through online. It can be different types. త్రూ ఆన్లైన్లో మనము బయింగ్ కానీ సెల్లింగ్ కానీ చేస్తే దాన్ని మనము ఈ-కామర్స్ అని అంటాము. What are the different types of e-commerce we are having? The first one is business to business e-commerce. What do you mean by business to business e-commerce? Means the transactions which is related to the organizations or between two companies are called as business to business e-commerce. Means buying and selling of goods and services through business only to business organizations is called as business to business organizations. Okay, what are the examples of that? EDI systems and EFT systems. EDI means electronic data interchange, and the next one is electronic fund transfer, EFT. Okay, so this is the business to business e-commerce. Next one, business to consumer e-commerce, that is retail business, where an organization act as a retailer or seller, is known as business to consumer e-commerce. Like this only you should write in the examination booklet ma. And the third question is consumer to business e-commerce. What do you mean by consumer to e-commerce? Means where a consumer plays an important role. Consumer visit the company website to purchase the product. For example, Flipkart and Amazon, where we are searching for the product in their website. That is called consumer to business e-commerce. This is the third type. And the fourth type is consumer to consumer e-commerce. We can know that consumer to consumer, where one consumer is taking place of among other consumers. For example, OLX, etc. Means transactions between one consumer to another customer, like that. Okay, the fifth one is business to employee e-commerce. Business to employee e-commerce, transactions related to product and services are exchanged among the organizations, between them among the organization and with their employees, is known as business to employee e-commerce. For example, training employees over intranet hikes, etc. Okay, training employees over intranet. And the sixth one is non-business e-commerce. It involves small scale organization, for example, charitable trust, social awareness, etc. The next one is government to citizens e-commerce. According to this type of e-commerce, government is giving the e-commerce facilities, for example, pensions, etc. And the last one is intra-organizational e-commerce. In this e-commerce particular type, where internet services for conducting transactions, internet services provided for the transactions. These are the 7 types of e-commerce we are having. You should mention all these types of e-commerce when they ask for long question. Okay, so this is the first important question from first unit. The second important question from first unit is explain about the e-commerce applications. Okay, so e-commerce applications basically divided into 4 categories ma. For example, essential services, financial services, educational services, and entertainment services. Means in essential services means services which need comes like healthcare, medical, like pharmacy, this type of things, means which is 100% in need. Financial services is online transaction, loan approval, like phone pay, Google Pay, this all will come in some financial services. Educational services means Zoom classes, Byju's. Okay, this is the thing. And the entertainment means Netflix, Hotstar, YouTube. This is all entertainment services. Okay, so first one is electronic advertisement. It is also called as online advertisement, which can be as B2C, business to consumer, where organization can find the product by visiting different websites. And the next one is e-marketing. Like just write what is mean by e-marketing. E-marketing stands for electronic marketing, where we're promoting the good in electronic. And this is a e-banking, online trading, e-shopping, e-learning, m-commerce, that is mobile commerce, e-entertainment, e-transaction. These are all things means applications of e-commerce. Applications of e-commerce is a 100% important question from unit number 1. And this is the impact on business model ma. Okay, three pillar of e-commerce. So impact of business model means this is the important question. Traditional value chain, business consumer oriented value chain, and three pillars of organized e-commerce. Three pillars of e-commerce means information, communication, and transaction and distribution. Now present we are not having time, means I'm just saying about general topics. Okay, in detail I'm not explaining, but okay. So the next one is information pillar. What is meant by communication pillar? In transaction and distribution pillar, what will be there? In ICDT model, that is virtual information space. This is also an important question from unit number 1. From unit number 2, the first important question is data encryption techniques. What is meant by cryptography? Where method of storing the transmission over network. So crypto means hidden, graphy means written, hidden. So whatever the process of encryption and decryption technique is also known as cryptography. How many types we will have? Symmetric and asymmetric encryption. In symmetric encryption, what are the things you will have? Where one key is used, key A, and here also key A, where one key is used to unlock the data, that is called as symmetric encryption. In that only you will have triple symmetric encryption. Okay, so try to learn all this type of things, ma, so it will be useful to you all. Okay, the second question from second unit is what is protocol? Explain different protocols used in OSI model. OSI stands for open system interconnection, right? Open system interconnection. This is the important question. This is the diagram, and this is the applications. In application level, what type of protocol you will have? In presentation level, what type of protocol you will have? In session level, what type of protocol? In transportation, in transport layer, in network layer, in data link layer, what are the protocols you will have? Everything in detail I have wrote here. Just I'm scrolling down. So after getting the PDF, try to learn all these questions. I will upload this PDF in Telegram group. Okay, so try to check out in that. Okay, the third important question from unit number 2 is architectural framework of e-commerce. What is the levels of framework? Application level, brokerage service level, interface support, the secure messaging, middleware services, network infrastructure. We are discussing in each and every layer. We are discussing in detail. That's it. Okay, so unit number 3, that is consumer oriented e-commerce application. That is the first important question is consumer oriented e-commerce. So in that you will have personal finance or home banking. In that basic, intermediate, and advanced services will be have. Basics means like withdrawing cash, checking the account status, like how much amount we are having in the balance, like that. Intermediate services means expenditure on daily, monthly, and yearly basis. Okay, advanced services means national stock exchange, share market related things we are sharing. So each and every topics I am discussing here. Just I'm scrolling down. So after getting the PDF, you should learn all these things. Okay, and the third important question is, second important question from third lesson is mercantile process model. So what is meant by mercantile process model? Interaction between the consumer and supplier to improve the quality and reduce the cost of the product is known as mercantile process model. Mercantile process model from consumer perspective and from merchant perspective. This is the 7 points which you will have in your consumer perspective, and here this is the 7 points which you will have in your merchant perspective. After getting that, each and every point and we are discussing. That's it. Okay, so this is the third unit. From fourth unit, what are the important questions I have given? Types of EDI. What are the types of EDI we are having? Partial EDI and fully integrated EDI. EDI stands for electronic data interchange, right? What is mean by direct EDI? What is mean by EDI van? These are all important questions. I have drawn the diagram also, so just check out that. What is mean by EDI versus AS2? Okay, AS2 means applicability statement 2. What is web EDI? This is the important question. The second important question is discuss about EDI application in business, means you should write all this answer. Okay, so I have mentioned this answer. This will be useful to you all students. Okay, and the types of finance EDI, checks, EFT, ACH means automatic clearing houses. These are all the 3 questions. Just I'm scrolling it down. So this is a legal, security, and privacy issue answer. So you should write all this stuff in when they will ask this question in long. Okay, so these are all the answers only. So now we will discuss about the unit number 5. Explain about e-marketing techniques. E-marketing means electronic marketing, where internet is used to promote the product. Okay, internet marketing techniques. What are the different techniques we are having? Passive, aggressive. Okay, so first technique, different types of marketing technique is search engine and directory system. Next one is solicited targeted email. The third one is interactive sales. Fourth one is banner advertisement. Fifth one is offline advertisement. Offline advertisement means giving pamphlets, posters, etc. Okay, sixth one is spam mail. We will get daily spam mail, no? So that is also type of advertisement. Okay, and the seventh one is email chain systems. These are all. And the second one is 5 P's of e-commerce. 5 P's of e-commerce means product, price, place, promotion, and personalization. You need to explain each and every P. Okay, it will be overall answer. Okay, the last question of from e-commerce 50 unit is, what is meant by electronic advertisement? What are the different types of techniques? What is meant by electronic advertisement? It is also online advertisement. Okay, so types of techniques means cost per thousand, cost per click, cost per action. This type of techniques you will have. Try to learn this also. And the last important question from unit number 1 is advantages and limitations of e-commerce. Advantages and disadvantages of e-commerce. Advantages to organization, we will have this many e-commerce advantages, like it improves the brand image of the company. It helps the organization to reduce the cost and create the price. Okay, advantages to consumers also. What are the advantages to consumers? A customer can have the option to review of a product. Okay, we have plenty of options in the online shopping, no? And the last one is advantages to society. So by paying the taxes, it is the advantage to society. The last one is limitations of electronic commerce. It has technical and non-technical, like security, lack of privacy. Our data will be used for misusing. So these are all disadvantages. No, next one is tax issue. More tax is situated in the different location. Fear, product suitability, means if we order one product, means it will get another product. Okay, so next one is legal issues. Okay, so the last one is high labor cost, means according to the online shopping and the normal traditional shopping, means online shopping has more cost. Okay, so this is about the question. This is the definition of e-commerce. E-commerce refers for buying and selling of goods and services only, is called as e-commerce. Okay, electronic payment system answer, students. This is just, I'm scrolling down, I will upload this PDF in the Telegram group, so try to watch that, join in our group. Okay, this will be helpful for you all. So everyone who are asking about my notes, which is helpful for you all for the computerized accounting, like that only they are asking. So that's why I'm giving this PDF in Telegram group. So try to watch each and every thing whatever I have discussed in this video. It will be helpful to you. Okay, so all the very best for your preparation and the examination. See you all next video. Bye bye. And now time is see 4 6 4 6 sorry 4 6 a.m. see 4 6 a.m. So this 21st December. So this much I am struggling ma. So I am expecting a subscription, subscribe. If you think that this video is worthy, then only do like all these things. So this is all about the video. If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to our channel and share with all your friends and groups. It will be helpful for them also. Okay, so once again, all the very best. Thank you so much. See you all next video. Bye bye, students.